Data exchange between IoT system and SAP system. Existing IoT system used for data capture. Injection molding machines having IoT device to capture data. IoT device hub getting data from all IoT devices in network. All IoT data saved on cloud database. IoT devices send data to IoT hub periodically. Same data transferred to cloud database periodically. Existing SAP system used for production confirmation. Production confirmation T-code screen. Order number, production quantity, and other information entered in SAP manually. After entering required information, production confirmation is posted. Communication system between IoT and SAP, suggested by Abhyanta India Private Limited. Here, we want to automate the production confirmation in SAP. Information required. Work order number. Number of OK parts. Number of not OK parts. This information can flow from IoT cloud database to SAP system by calling the web API. For example, using a web API to get information from IoT cloud for a work center between said from date time and to date time. Sample information from above API will be something like this. Sample logic for confirmation in SAP system will be something like this. Here, we are calling Web API to get data for injection molding machine 002 between given from date time and to date time. Here, from date time equal to last successful transaction date time for injection molding machine 002 and to date time equal to current date time. Sample data return for Web API. Now, if returned work order is present in last read or is a new work order, then do partial confirmation. And if returned work order is present in last read but not present in current read, then do final confirmation for same. Logic for confirmation can be changed as per requirement. In this way, communication between IoT system and SAP system can be achieved by calling the web services periodically.